Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mr. Market. So in today's video we'll see market analysis and stocks to trade. Okay, so let's start. First let's start with Nifty. Let's come here. So yesterday we discussed in Nifty about this. Yeah, we discussed that if it breaks this trend line, then you have to buy. If it breaks and sustains, then you have to buy. Okay, and if it breaks 14,900 this level, so you have to short. Okay, so there was a good move. The move was around 1.5%. Okay, around almost 1.5% move. So let's see for tomorrow what you can do. So for tomorrow is the expiry. Okay, and if you see this level 14,750 was a crucial level. It was coming again and again here and bouncing back. Also before some days I told you, when we were here, we told you that in this rally, in this sell-off, there was no major pullback. There were small pullbacks but no major pullbacks, so this could be a pullback, and that was same. You can see this was a pullback only. It came above a pullback, then again it's going down, so it can come more down. Okay, so tomorrow for tomorrow what you have to do, if it opens flat, then you have to sell. Okay, because it's below 750 only, so weakness is there. So if it opens flat, you can target your target, you can take till here 14,600 first target. Okay, second target you can take till here 500 on. There's good support. Okay, so for long term, if you'll see in Nifty, you can see this double top. Okay, so if you see for long term, don't make a long here. Okay, you can short for making a long, you can short Nifty, because if you can clearly see a double top. Okay, so this is a long trend, and tomorrow if Nifty goes above 750, then you can go for buy. Okay, so this was all for Nifty. So let's see for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, tomorrow we discussed, if it opens flat, then you can sell. Okay, and if it goes above 35,000, then you only have to buy. So I hope you made in Bank Nifty also you made a good profit. So let's see for tomorrow what you can do. Before, see Bank Nifty also, this level was crucial, 34,000, that is almost 34,500. This was crucial. Every time it was coming here, it was taking support and bouncing. Okay, so it is also broken. So for tomorrow, don't buy till it goes above 34,500 and sustains. So tomorrow Bank Nifty also same. If it open flat, then go for sell. First target you can take till here, that is 33,850, and next target, frankly speaking, it's very down. It's around here. See, because in this rally you can see here, almost here where I'm pointing. So here there is no major support because it moved in a straight line above, so there is no support. If it breaks 33,850, you can expect a free fall. Okay, there can be a free fall. So you have to make this strategy in Bank Nifty. So let's see stocks, which stocks you can trade. So PVR, there is simple logic. You can see this range. So this range can break either side. So if it goes above 14,427, then you have to buy. First target you can take till 1438. Next immediate target will be 1452. Okay, stop loss will be below this, that is 1420. And for selling, if it goes below 1410, then go for sell. First target till here 1386. Next target 1380. Let's see next stock. Next stock is BEML. So BEML, you can see a triangle pattern. Let's draw it. This you can see this is clearly a triangle pattern. So wherever it breaks either up or down, you have to go for that. If it goes above 1403, then go for buy. First target will be 1460. Next target you can take till 1500. Okay, and stop loss will be below, that is 1380. And if it breaks this below trend line, then go for short. If it goes below 1356, then go for short. First target 1323, and next target you can take till 1300. Stop loss above, that is 1380. So let's see next stock. Mindtree. So Mindtree, if you can see, here is a good M pattern. See this. So tomorrow you can sell this. Let me delete this. If it goes below this level, if it goes below one, if it breaks 1980, then go for short. So first target will be 1952, next target 1933, stop loss above, that will be on 2000, and if it breaks to 2027 on above side, then you can buy also. It will be also a breakout, so you can take target, first target till 2060, next target 2080. Okay, so next stock, let's see Divi's Lab. So Divi's Lab also same, this is in consolidation phase. See this. Okay, so it can also break either side. If it breaks 1390 and sustains, go for buy. First target 1340, next target you could take till first target is 3420, next target you can take till 3440. Okay, stop loss below this, that is 3370, and if it breaks 3352, then go for short. First target you can take till 1330, next target you can take till 1320. Okay, so let's see next stocks, that is SRT Finance. SRT Finance, if you can see this, there is a good resistance at this level. Okay, you can see this trend line, it is resisting again and again for on this trend line, so it can break above. If you see many time it resisted, tomorrow can be a good opportunity for buy. So tomorrow if it breaks 1330 and sustains for 5 minutes, go for buy. First target you can take till 1350, and next immediate target will be 1372, stop loss below this, that is 1320. Okay, so that's it for today's video.